What's up, everybody? So I know it's been a long time since I've posted anything, but I just got caught up with life. Right now I'm on the Oregon coast in the van. The van is still sweet and life is good. There's a hot tub and I'm gonna get in it. Hey, what's going on? What's cooking? How's it coming? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. That is looking fan-fucking-tastic. So we're at this fucking awesome surf shack with a hot tub over there and Solo. Hey Solo. Hey baby. I think we're gonna have some really awesome kebab, or maybe kind of okay kebab. I don't know.
They're gonna be great.
I've never grilled before.
They're gonna be really good.
You think they're gonna be good?
They're gonna be great.
Okay.
Look at them. Look at these guys. Look at them. They're happy.
I think they look happy.
I think so too.
I'm not sure. It's
Papas.
I'm just so insecure about this meat situation right now, babe.
No, they're almost done. I think they're almost done.
Coming from the vegetarian of 20 years.
Former vegetarian. No, recovering
vegetarian.
Recovering vegetarian. Wasn't my choice. It's foisted upon me.
Those potatoes are looking dope, though. You know what you're doing.
Yeah, I know what I'm doing with the potatoes. But for it to be champagne, it has to be from Champagne, France.
Champagne comes from Champagne, France. I didn't know that. I thought champagne was just like beer or something, you know, like everybody probably makes it in their
No. Can't legally call it champagne unless it's from Champagne.
That's cool. I didn't know that.
We got champagne.
We got champagne, baby.
We got champagne.
And you just push it off with your thumbs, right?
Push it off away from people's eyeballs, away from my face, away from Solo. Oh, fuck! Good job,
dude. Somebody's probably gonna think we got shot or something.
Well, you know,
that's crazy. The French are crazy. That's a lot of champagne.
None of them will look at all like us, and the neighbors all be a bit too much. And they live out in the desert with a man you never loved. Is this it? What you want? What you wanted? Do you need love? Am I high enough for you? In time you'll find I've got my baggage too. Say we'll get famous and we'll die with our names in every paper, every news report is any consolation to the people that you love and all the people that you hate, but we'll love you all the same because you're beautiful. Say you didn't see it, that I saw right through you. Say you didn't mean it, that I mean nothing to you. Like you said, you believe me, that I'd be right for you. Say you love me like you used to. We were boys playing in the wreckage, bearing down on birthless stones. I bore my weight upon your shoulders, water's warm as morning suns. I don't think quite like I used to. I got pain to call my own. I see stars and fading lights, broken glass upon your road. Now I'm driving home too soon. Oh, oh, oh. vacation, first class. I'm breaking your fall, you're breaking my ass. You're working all day, hating on all the bitches at work. You say you're okay, you're faking, fucked up. You're drinking all day, you give me a cup, and I'll be damned if we can make it out of this alive, baby. I say I'll be damned if we can make it out of this alive. But is this what you want? What you wanted? You need love, and I love for you. It's time to find I've got my baggage too.
So Lauren's gone down to the beach, and I'm gonna get started with breakfast, but also gonna have a little bit of a drink before I get started on breakfast, because fuck it, why not? So Lauren and I are gonna have some Montezuma hot chocolate with a little bit of chai spice black tea to wake us up and maybe make us poop. I don't know, I'm optimistic. Probably the most exciting thing.
Is there a little plate I can set these on?
Of course, yeah.
Man down.
Oh, it smells so fucking good. This is gonna be amazing. Nice. Got a bunch of this. Oh yeah. Pop that cheese right in there. That's New Year's Eve breakfast with Lauren.
On champagne.
With champagne. Oh man. We're getting fancy up in this bitch. Just heating up some tortillas. And then we're gonna be devouring this meal. New Year's Eve on the beach. Lauren's gonna make me a taco that we have with our delicious kale salad, eggs with bell peppers, and tortillas. This awesome hot sauce. I really like this stuff. It's so good. Medium is not that spicy, but that's mine. Hey everyone. Oh, thanks for watching my video. That was filmed over New Year's Eve weekend, and I'm trying to get it to you as soon as I possibly can. I've been super busy, but the person you saw in the video, her name's Lauren, and that's my partner, my girlfriend, whatever you fancy. And a lot has happened since the last time I uploaded a video. Mainly I moved to Portland, Oregon, and I found a job, I got a girlfriend, and I found a place all within a small week. So a lot has happened. I just feel bad that I haven't uploaded anything in a while because this was such a passion project for me that when I lose my passion, I start to feel guilty, and then it just becomes this like endless thing of like, oh, I gotta do it, but I don't have time. I'm sad. Now I'm more depressed. And you know, winter in the Pacific Northwest is pretty hard, so I'm really trying to tough it out this winter. And luckily I've got a place where I can hook up the van and have electricity running constantly, and I also have a small heater that I can connect, and because heaters use a lot of power, it's nice to have like an extension cord that just hooks up to a house. But I'm still living in the van, but I have access to a house during the winter, and that's life-saving. So I'm really happy that I have this set up right now. And yeah, just if you have any questions about my current living situation, or if you want to hear about the time between then and now of the last time that I uploaded something, I've got a lot of footage that I haven't decided if I want to edit or just scrap it and just move on forward from here on. But there's a lot of things that I need to sort through. But if you have any questions about the van life, please comment below. I also have a Patreon if you want to contribute to helping my broke ass. I would love that. So I'll link it below. And don't forget to check out my Instagram, because I love uploading photos. Oh yeah. And I will see you all next time.